In the quiet of his bedroom, Hussein, clad in his school uniform, stands frozen. Suddenly, a wave of despair washes over him, and he bursts into tears. Ami's voice cuts through the morning air. "What happened, Hussein?" His voice choked with panic. Hussein cries out, "My school bag, I forgot it." His words echo in the room, heavy with the weight of his forgotten responsibility. The realization of his mistake hits him hard. In the hallway, the sound of Hussein's cries pierces the air, a beacon of distress that shatters the calm. Mirha, still in her school uniform, catches the urgent sound, her face hardening with resolve. Driven by a sister's fierce protectiveness, Mirha sprints towards Hussein's room, her footsteps echoing in the hallway. Her voice rings out, a soothing promise cutting through Hussein's sobs. "Don't cry, Hussein, I'll get your bag for you." She bursts into Hussein's room, her eyes scanning the scene as she assesses the situation. A wave of comfort washes over Hussein as Mirha's presence fills the room, her words a soothing balm to his distress. Mirha, a whirlwind of motion, bursts into Hussein's room, her mission etched on her face. She snatches Hussein's bag, a symbol of her unwavering devotion, and races back. Panting, Mirha thrusts the bag into Hussein's hands. "Here you go. Your bag, little prince." Hussein's face lights up with pure, unadulterated joy. "You're the best sister in the world." Ami and Baba, silent guardians of this tender moment, exchange smiles brimming with pride. Baba's voice fills the room with warmth. Daughters aren't just sisters, they're little brothers' heroes.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.